नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू SBI सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट्स अपडेट से। फॉर द सेकेंड consecutive trading session, the US indices ended on a mixed note. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100 ended the day with a little change, while the Dow gained 0.52% for the day. On Tuesday, the Brent oil faced selling pressure at its previous swing high of $80. Going ahead, it may consolidate in the range till the global oil market experiences a shift in sentiment. The US dollar index ended on a negative note for the second consecutive trading session. However, the major trend of the index remains bullish. Going ahead, the zone of 110.10 to 110.30 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index. Talking about Nifty's view, on Tuesday, the benchmark index Nifty experienced a minor pullback rally, closing at the 23,176 level with a gain of 0.39%. On the daily chart, it formed an inside bar candle, reflecting indecision at lower levels. The broader market indices Nifty Midcap 100 and Nifty Smallcap 100 saw a sharp recovery, forming a bullish harami candlestick pattern. This suggests that the bearish momentum is easing, although further price confirmation is required to validate a potential trend reversal. आगे चल के निफ्टी के लिए 23,300 और 23,340 का जोन एक क्रूशियल हर्डल का काम करेगा। अगर 23,340 लेवल के ऊपर सस्टेनेबल मूव होता है तो पुलबैक रैली का फर्दर एक्सटेंशन 23,500 लेवल तक हो सकता है। नीचे की तरफ अगर इंडेक्स 23,070 टू 23,040 के लेवल के नीचे स्लिप होता है तो साउथवर्ड जर्नी रेज्यूम हो सकती है। On the derivatives front, the January future surged by 0.47%, while the combined open interest for the current, next, and far series surged by 2.14%, which indicates an overall long buildup. The 23,400 strike has a significant call open interest, followed by the 23,500 strike. On the put side, the 23,200 has a substantial open interest, followed by the 23,100 strike. For the weekly series, the OI PCR is at 0.80. For the January monthly series, it is at 1.03. The Bank Nifty has relatively outperformed frontline indices as it has surged by 1.43% and ended above the 48,700 level. आगे चल के अगर 49,100 to 49,200 लेवल के ऊपर सस्टेनेबल मूव होता है तो पुलबैक रैली का एक्सटेंशन 49,800 लेवल तक हो सकता है। नीचे की तरफ 48,400 टू 48,300 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। सेंसेक्स की व्यू की बात करें, ऑन द वीकली एक्सपायरी डे द बेंचमार्क इंडेक्स सेंसेक्स ऑल्सो सॉ अ पुलबैक रैली ऑन ट्यूसडे। However, after touching an intraday high of 76,835, it faced selling pressure, eventually settling at the 76,500 level with a modest gain of 0.22%. आगे चल के 76,800 टू 76,900 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल का काम करेगा। अगर 76,900 लेवल के ऊपर सस्टेनेबल मूव होता है तो पुलबैक रैली का एक्सटेंशन 77,500 लेवल तक हो सकता है। नीचे की तरफ 76,400 टू 76,300 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। On the derivatives front, the January futures ended higher by 0.07% and the open interest of the current series has dipped by 79.03%. The 76,500 strike has a significant call open interest followed by the 77,000 strike. On the put side, the 76,000 has a substantial open interest followed by the 75,500 strike. For the weekly series, OI PCR is at 0.79. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility index India VIX dipped by 3.30%. However, the short-term trend of the index is bullish as it is quoting above its crucial moving averages. Going ahead, any sustainable move above the level of 16.3 will lead to an increase in the overall market's volatility. The advance decline ratio was largely tilted in the favor of advances. Talking about the key sectors, technically Nifty Metal, Media, CPSE, PSE, Auto, Oil and Gas, PSU Bank, Realty, Pharma, Healthcare and Financial Services space are likely to underperform in the short term. Talking about the FII-DI data, the FII sold to the tune of 8,132 crore, while the DI is bought to the tune of 7,901 crore. The FII's long-short ratio for index futures is at 16.61 and on a net basis they bought 373 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.